Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rex Rahul. In today's video, we will learn about Execute Maven plugin to run Java program. If you want to run any Java program, there are two ways to do this using Execute Maven plugin. So let's start with the first way. So run using execute.maven class user property. So for demonstration purpose, I have a project here in which I have created a main class. You can see. So what this main class does is only printing inside main class statement. So we have to run this main class. So we will go to our console and just go to your projects directory, and you will have to run maven exec. So this is basically exec colon java. Java is a goal for execute maven plugin, and you will have to provide the class to run. So in this case we have this main class and we have to run it through this command line. So what we will do, we will pass this argument and with the value of the complete qualified name of the main class with the package. So you can see so this is the whole command. When you press enter, let's see what happens. So you can see here inside main class is printed. So this is the first approach or way we can use to call main class. So in the second approach, what we will do, we will configure the pom.xml. We will use the execute maven plugin, declare it in pom.xml. So let's go to the pom.xml and here just declare your plugin. So you can see I have declared the plugin. I have to use the maven execute plugin, which is version 3.0.0, and so here's the main thing. The mandatory param for this execute plugin, if you want to run Java program, so simply a Java class in our case. What you will have to do is to provide this main class that was provided initially in this previous example. So you have to provide this main class in this, and what you will have to do is to just run maven exec colon java. We don't need to provide this now because it is already declared in pom.xml. So what you will see, let's run this command. Oh, so we have some issues here. Okay, so pom.xml is not saved. Let's run it again. So you can see inside main class is get printed here. So there were the two ways to call Java program. In our next video, we will see how we can call processes through Maven. So hopefully you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel Rex Rahul.